Hello everyone. Imagine a world where reading legacy code and turning business logic into implementation isn't a slow grind, but just a conversation. We are excited to introduce a bold idea, an agentic AI assistant built right into VS Code, designed to make enterprise development faster, smarter, and more interactive. This project is driven by a passionate team of software engineers, and we are currently students at the University of California, Irvine. Each of us bring a unique strength, from machine learning to system integration, and together we are building something ambitious yet incredibly practical. Before even making a small change. And while AI assistants exist, they are often limited to simple code completions. They don't understand your project or your goals. That's the gap. Developers waste hours translating business requirements into code and jumping back and forth between requirement documents and the code base. Context switching kills focus and it increases the chances of mistakes. Current tools are reactive, they wait for you to write code, they don't assist. So we asked, what if your coding assistant actually understood your project? What if it read the same requirements you did and analyzed your code base and suggested changes like a real teammate? That's what we are building, an interactive chat based assistant inside VS Code. It actually reads your requirements, understands your folder structure, and navigates your code intelligently. It breaks down big dev tasks into smaller ones, writes helpful context aware code, and fits right into your project. And get this, it even understands internal or proprietary framework it's never seen before. No pre training required. It learns by reading your project like a real developer would. So, how does all this actually work? Let's break down the core features that make this possible.
Our extension provides six key capabilities to streamline code development. First, it offers a chat based interface in Visual Studio Code, so users can describe business logic or tasks in plain language. Second, it reads requirement from .txt or .md files, which means business analysts or even new developers can provide specifications in natural language without needing to format them in any special way. Next, we use tools like TreeSitter to understand and chunk the code base into manageable pieces. This helps us work with large projects efficiently. Then, using retrieval augmented generation or RAG, we identify and extract the most relevant part of the code base based on the input requirement. This ensures that the generated code is not only correct but also deeply context aware. We then use large language models to generate new code suggestions tailored to the retrieved context. And finally, we use the MCP tools to insert or update this code directly into the workspace while leaving potential risky actions like deletions or overrides to the developers via the human in loop approvals. So yeah, these are the six core features of our extension. So here's how everything works in practice. The user first starts by providing a requirement file. Our system then uses TreeSitter to parse the code into AST-based chunks. These chunks are embedded and stored in LansDB for efficient vector search. And when a new prompt comes in, we use RAG to understand the intent and retrieve relevant code chunks. The LLM then uses this context to generate precise code suggestions. And finally, our MCP, which is the Model Context Protocol, automatically applies the generated code into the project, but also allows optional review and approval, ensuring the user stays in control. So this tool delivers significant value to SAP CAP Java developers. It reduces development time by automating repetitive tasks and complex coding tasks. It also empowers business analysts and or junior developers to contribute using natural language without needing full expertise in CAP framework. And by auto injecting context aware code, we are reducing the likelihood of logical errors or mismatched APIs. And what really sets us apart is our deep context awareness via the model context protocol, combined with a seamless integration into existing project files, prompts, and workflows. This makes our tool not just a coding assistant but a smart, integrated part of the development pipeline.
Let's talk about the real value this platform delivers. So, how will it create value? The first thing is that code quality will be a big win because the system understands project context and framework best practices. It generates code that's aligned with architectural standards. On top of that, it cuts down significantly on the time. In terms of impact metrics, we project a 30 to 40% reduction in total development hours for teams using the tool. That translates to over $1 million in annual savings for a mid sized development team. And in early trials, we are already seeing over 85% accuracy in code generation. Our monetized strategy is a freemium model. The free tier gives access to core capabilities like basic code generation and the chatbot. Who pays? Primarily enterprise teams like SAP, but we are also targeting individual developers, those who want to access to advanced tooling, as a secondary revenue stream. We'll also explore distribution through the Code Marketplace. Here is our go to market strategy. First, we are launching directly into the VS Code Marketplace. It's where most developers already work, and it gives us instant visibility with the right audience. Second, we are tapping into the open source and developer communities. On the marketing side, we plan to run targeted LinkedIn campaigns aimed at developers and engineering leads.
Here's what makes our assistant different. Understands your code. It learns from your actual code base, so its help is specific and relevant. Chat based and easy. Just ask in plain English. No coding skills needed. Fits your stack. Works with SAP CAP, Java, and whatever tools you already use. Saves time. It writes fixes and improves code, reducing manual effort. Built in and developer first. You stay in control. The AI just makes your job easier. We offer two flexible plans. Individual plan is of $10 to $15 per user. Ideal for developers and students, includes unlimited code search, VS Code integration and email support. Business plan, which is custom pricing, built for teams, adds collaboration, admin tools, priority support and options to use internal docs or custom AI models. To wrap it up, RepoMind is more than just a coding assistant. It's your intelligent partner for navigating complex code bases, generating high quality code, and accelerating development workflows. Visit our website or call us to schedule a live demo. We look forward to speaking with you in more detail. Start using RepoMind today, where your code meets intelligence.